Damion Crawford claps back at Cliff Hughes and Nationwide lies. Nationwide spread the lie, but tonight Damion Crawford himself shuts it all down. No leadership war, no division, just fake news exposed. The rumors have been shut down, and this time, straight from the man himself. For the past week, Nationwide News with Cliff Hughes and George Davis tried to spread a fake narrative. They claimed there's an internal power struggle in the PNP, saying Damion Crawford wants to dethrone Mark Golding. But today, in his own words, Damion Crawford put that lie to rest. He made it clear, there is no plot, no leadership challenge, and no intention to divide the party. His response was simple but strong. He remains loyal to the leadership and focused on building the movement, not tearing it down. This is proof that the so-called story was manufactured propaganda, designed to weaken the PNP and confuse supporters. Nationwide must be held accountable. The truth is now undeniable. The PNP stands united under Mark Golding, with comrades like Damion Crawford working to strengthen the base, not divide it. To Nationwide News, your attempt failed. The people are awake, and Jamaicans are seeing through the smoke. This is Michy, where the truth burns hotter than propaganda. Like, share, and subscribe for more fire stories.